Yo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to continue the series of sharing with you the best extensions for affiliate marketers. Okay, so in this video, let's get at it. The first thing you do is go to the web store for Chrome. What do you do next? You come to the search the store and search for Nimbus screenshot. Okay, I've already added this, but if you don't have it already, you click on it, you see something add to Chrome, then you add, and the extension will be added to your browser. So this is the extension. I have pinned it to the search bar. Extension installed. Now the question is, how do we use it? It is so simple. Go to any web you are working on or any website. This is seller.co. So what do I want to do? If I need to grab this screen and place it somewhere in my promotional materials, so what I just need is to click on the Nimbus. You have different kind of options, so I'll just go with selected area. So if I select this area, then I have this edit, this save, and this cancel. So I'm going to save. Wow. Then let me just still leave it by this name, so I save right away. So the other thing I would like to show you is, so let's see what we save. This fantastic. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is to go back. So the second way is you can actually edit also with this. Let's look at it. If I click on Nimbus, action after the capture, you can say send to Nimbus, send to Google, download. So the action I want at this point is to edit. Thank you. So the next thing is I click on the Nimbus, select the area. So I can edit now. You see some features are at the bar here. So I can pick an arrow. Maybe I'm pointing to a particular place. Then I can pick up a text and let me say subscribe to my channel. Okay, so it's as easy. Then the next thing for me to do is to save. It. You can insert image. You can do a whole lot of other things. So the next thing for me is to save this by saying done. So the next thing to do is after you do your screenshot and you make some edits, just click on save. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can kindly like, subscribe to my channel so that I can bring you more exciting videos next time. Thank you guys.